Are you looking for the best office chairs? In this video, we will look at some of the 6 best office chairs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Steelcase Gesture. The Steelcase Gesture costs more than $1,000, but if you sit for long periods, the expense is well worth it. Across multiple test panels, involving dozens of staffers trying out office chairs, the Gesture has continued to be a favorite since we first recommended it, in 2015. It's one of the most comfortable, supportive, and durable office chairs we've ever tested. Everything has stood the test of time, from the back support to the quality fabric to the dependable adjustment knobs. And of the chairs we tested, the Gesture offers the widest range of fabrics and other finishing options, so you can customize its appearance to your liking. Number 2. Herman Miller Aeron Chair. The Herman Miller Aeron chair is iconic, comfortable, and durable. And if you run hot, the mesh back and seat make it a better option than the Steelcase Gesture. Bottom line, if you mainly want a chair that props you up ergonomically and is comfortable to sit in for long hours of typing at a desk, the Aeron will suit you well. The Aeron's armrests aren't as adjustable as the Gestures, so this chair is not as versatile for different tasks requiring arm support, such as propping up a tablet to read. But the Aeron is easier to move around and less bulky than the Gesture, and it doesn't collect as much lint. This chair is well known for its durability, and it comes with a 12-year warranty. If the price seems too high, you can probably find a lightly used Aeron, for a steep discount, at an office furniture liquidation store. The Aeron comes in 3 sizes, so we recommend checking the Fit Guide, PDF, before you order. Number 3. HON Ignition 2.0. If you're looking for something more affordable than our other picks, the HON Ignition 2.0 is the best inexpensive office chair we've tested. It has all of the standard adjustments we like to see in a chair, including seat depth, tilt tension, tilt lock, seat height, and arm height. It's comfortable for all-day use, with effective, adjustable lumbar support. Make sure the product description says adjustable lumbar, so you get the model with that option. However, this chair has a minimum seat height of 17 inches, so people of below average height may have difficulty sitting properly with their feet flat on the floor. We recommend a footrest. Also, the Ignition 2.0 isn't as sturdy as our pricier picks, and we don't think it will last nearly as long. Number 4. Steelcase Gesture. With plenty of adjustability for a wide range of body types, the Steelcase Gesture is the best and most comfortable office chair for most people. It's supremely comfortable. After sitting in various other office chairs during testing, going back to the Gesture was, as one panelist put it, like going to the spa. Impressively, the panelists scored the Gesture highest across all of our criteria. And they said that compared with seat cushions on similar chairs, the Gesture's cushion hit the right balance of firmness and plushness. It was far better than seat cushions on budget chairs, which were almost like sitting on a wooden chair firm. Wirecutter staffers who own the Gesture have confirmed that the cushion, back padding, and armrests are as comfortable after 5 years of heavy use as they were on day 1. It's versatile, supportive, and packed with features. This chair is comfortable across multiple tasks, as confirmed by our testing panel, which included writers, editors, and photographers with different body types. This chair's lumbar and back support are on a par with that of other chairs in this price range. In other words, excellent. But the Gesture stands out due to how comfortable it is to recline in and how easy it is to vary your position. The backs on most other chairs tilt when you recline, but the Gesture's back is designed to flex, as well, since your spine has a different shape when you're reclining versus when you're sitting up straight. Our testers agreed that the Gesture's recline experience was one of the most comfortable among all the chairs we tested. That's because the Gesture retains the recline angle, so you don't have to continue pushing back with your feet or your core to maintain that angle, as you must do with most other chairs. Number 5. Herman Miller Aeron Chair. The Herman Miller Aeron chair is a well-built, highly adjustable model. And it may be a more comfortable option than the Steelcase Gesture for people who run hot, thanks to its mesh seat and back. Its mesh design is surprisingly supportive. Some of our testers likened using the Aeron to sitting in a hammock, since the springy material almost suspends you as you sit. The mesh seat and back make the Aeron a better option than foam-upholstered chairs for those who live in a warm climate or sweat easily. It's not as adjustable as the Gesture, but it's still more customizable than most chairs. First, the good. The Aeron has most of the ergonomic adjustments we want to see in a high-end chair, including a fully adjustable lumbar support system and arms that go up and down and angle in and out. However, it falls short of the Gesture in several key ways. The Aeron's armrests aren't as adjustable, and reclining isn't as effortless. You cannot adjust the seat depth, either, and the arm height is a pain to change. This may be especially frustrating to people who switch tasks throughout the day. It comes in 3 sizes to suit different body types. Rather than a one-size-fits-all approach, the Aeron comes in different sizes, PDF, labeled A, B, and C. The sizes roughly correlate to ascending height and weight ranges, and even though you might not find a size that fits you perfectly, you should still look at the size chart and consider what makes sense for you. One of our testers, right on the cusp of sizes B, medium, and C, large in the chart, found the size B chair far too narrow, and the recline was too easy to push back accidentally. When in doubt, we recommend sizing up. Number 6. HON Ignition 2.0. The HON Ignition 2.0 is the best budget option we found. It's comfortable to sit in, and it offers the best lumbar support of any chair we've tested under $500. It's more durable than other chairs at this price. The Ignition 2.0's materials feel more durable and of a higher quality than those of similarly priced competitors, and it has less wobbly armrests and smoother rolling casters. It's the most comfortable budget chair we've tested. The seat cushion is thick and soft, and you don't have to break it in. At the end of a long day, it still feels supportive, unlike 2 soft seats that you'd sink into over time. Compared with the back on the Aeron, which has a tight weave that feels like a trampoline for your posterior, the back on the Ignition 2.0 feels more like a camping chair you sink into. And we think the Ignition 2.0's armrests, which consist of a soft plastic with light cushioning, will last a while. Although the Ignition 2.0 doesn't compare in overall comfort to the Steelcase Gesture or the Aeron, it at least gets all the basics right. Its lumbar support really works. Most office chairs claim to offer lumbar support, but more often than not it's non-existent. The Ignition 2.0's optional adjustable lumbar support actually works and is noticeable. When our testers moved the back support up or down, it stayed in place and provided extra support where they needed it. It offers lots of other adjustments. You can move the seat depth in and out, change the seat height, and telescope the arms up and down as well as away from or toward your torso. The arms don't go down as far as those on the Gesture, the Aeron, or the Sail. But many other budget chairs provide no armrest adjustments at all, which some of our testers noted as a deal breaker after sitting in 10 different chairs.